so he's going to take this out.
Oh, okay.
Take this out of the car.
I'll take my own garbage.
Say happy birthday, Cheryl.
Yes, Cheryl, happy birthday.
Okay. He's not going to say it to me.
Key.
Look at this. He thinks you're taking his picture.
I am taking his picture. Oh, wait till you see this video. His hands look like they're not his. They look like they're adult hands.
Them are adult hands.
Yes, adult hands, adult feet, all of it. Mommy, can I have a straight?
This can stay over here.
What the food can stay? Is that what you mean?
Aiden, say something. Aiden, say happy birthday, Mom.